What's up, dudes? Today is February 1st, I believe. Decided to try something a little different. A little kind of great motivation. Decided to do all my video blogging in one day instead of chopping it up. So today, me and Big Sam out here, we got the flip video out just in the rec center. We got the blizzard going on. Show them the blizzard out there. So, yeah, that's a little bit. How long has it been going on? How many hours now?
About 3 hours.
Yeah, so they say we have 12 more hours to go. So no school tomorrow, but we got training tomorrow. We're gonna play that. So 9 weeks, 6 days out. So basically 10 weeks out, and basically 10 weeks and 10 weeks out today, and 15 weeks out for the 2 shows. Thus far, I'm feeling pretty good about everything. No real negatives I can really say about today. I can say the results are getting harder. That's one thing I can definitely say. In the first few weeks, it was flying off, like it was nobody's problem. But I just gotta stay motivated, eyes on the prize, get it done. What I really wanted to get today is I can always tell you my thoughts and how I feel, but that's all relative to my emotion and how I'm feeling for the day. I'm with my training partner here. You guys hear me talk about him a lot in these vlogs. Priest's Incline. I actually wanted his honest opinion on how I'm doing and how he's doing. So 10 weeks out, 15 weeks out. As you know, Sam is already a pro. So I'm actually Sam. I'm gonna probe him. I'm gonna probe him a few questions about me and kind of give honest feedback to myself. Like I said, I usually don't show people these, but why not? See how I'm feeling. So let's flip it. All right, Sam. Thank you for joining us on the lazy side.
No problem, no problem.
All right, everybody, this is Sam. He won the OCB Midwest States, as you all know. OCB Midwest States is one of the most popular shows, national shows to do. I mean, it's a tough show to win. Lane, Tommy Jeffers really popularized the show. Ray is an excellent promoter, runs a big gym out here. Yep. So Sam, we're good friends. Yep. We party hard when it's time to party. We train hard because it's always time to train hard. And we're also good friends on a personal level. Yep. As a competitor, how would you say I'm doing thus far? And don't butter up just because you're my friend. Like, how would you say I'm on at a 9-week state for somebody? You know me, you train with me. Yeah. How would you say my training has gone, and everything like that?
I mean, first, I'm not gonna try and butter you up, just because if I lie to you, I'm not doing any favor. Exactly. So I'll be honest with you, just the way you've been honest with me. So I mean, so far so good. I mean, it's a long prep, which I think is the best for any bodybuilder. It's you're trying to prep for a show. So I mean, starting it's a tough process. I mean, if anybody can do it, he can do it. So far, I mean, so good. I mean, I think you're way ahead of schedule. I mean, everything's coming out right. Your lines are coming out right. I mean, you can see all the improvements you make through the off season actually coming up now, especially your chest, which you've been working on. I mean,
what do you think my biggest improvement was from when you first met me?
From first, your chest.
Chest.
Your chest. I mean, you will. I mean, legs. You always have legs. Yeah. So I mean. I mean, you have a good shape, the hourglass shape, the small waist, big back, the big legs. That's gonna be a strong point. But your chest, I mean, definitely. It's kind of hard to tell during off season too, because
the fat.
You're fat, you're a lot bigger. When you're shredded, I mean, when you're all shredded, I mean, you can see the curvature of your chest, your chest open wider more, and I think you made a lot of gains. So I'm excited for the show. So I'm pumped. I'm not even competing. So.
All right, separate to me, a lot of people ask me about you. We are training partners.
True.
Do train hard together, all that, diets together. I hate to put you on the spot.
No, it's okay.
You have any plans in motion for your first pro show?
Right now, no. I'm just enjoying the off season.
All right.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Watching you go through prep, I kind of want to prep myself, but it's not.
I get to watch you guys go out, and then I get to go home. So
it's not a rushing game, Enjoy the off season, try to make some games, and when I get to that point, I feel like I'm ready.
Perfect.
We'll get the show started. But I mean, as for right now, training with you, training with
good times.
Other buddy, what's the name? Bob Wentz got a show
great physique. And you contest coming up?
Nothing too big, but just local show out here at NIU. So just helping friends out, training.
Cool.
All right.
Thank you, Sam, for your insights and your honesty. You train with somebody every day, day in, day out, cardio, all that. He's a great partner, man. He does cardio and doesn't even need to do it with me. Well, he's standing up right now. But we had a good workout today. We're gonna show that. Also had a very lackadaisical posing session. We'll show that. And other big news, I guess for myself, I'm gonna be going to the Arnold this year with my sponsor, Scivation. I've never been to an Arnold. Never ever met Arnold Schwarzenegger. I got an email from Moran, the vice president of Scivation, and it was all the guys who were going to the Arnold. It was like Ryan Whitaker, Wayne Norton, like all these big names, Kurt Wiener, and it was like Ryan Doris. I was like, I think they made a mistake. Like, I don't think I'm supposed to be on here. But nonetheless, thanks to my sponsor, I can't wait to go down there, have a good time. So, we're gonna go that footage, show that training, and I got, I don't know, 45 minutes left to party. See you guys.
I did. No, I know. I want to go half.
Good.
Let's go. Up, 2.
Come on!
Stronger. No. Oh yeah. Easy way. I'm here. Let's go. Up. 1. Good. Yeah. Come on. 2. Let's get there. Up. 3. That's the program. Let's go. Come on. 4. One more. Down.
Come on!
Up. Good.
Turn to the right. There you go. Good. Quarter turn to the right. There it is.
There you go. Rotate to the right. Yep. And rotate to the right. Front double by. Relax. Relax. Front lat spread. There you go. Good pinch. Relax.
Uh-oh, that was natural.
Hit the reset button. Cross to the right. Chest. There you go. Relax. Side tries.
How those traps feeling, guys?
And relax. Yeah. Back double by, back in the right calf. Good turn. There it is. Good. And relax. Relax spread. Left calf. There it is. Good back. There you go. And relax. This front. Ab and thigh. There you go. There you go. Hands on the hips. Can you do that again? There you go. Crab and muscular.